Hi there guys, welcome to Benji's Foods. Today I'll be making some oven-baked jerk chicken. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share down below. Let's start with the ingredients. You're going to need some chicken, onions, some jerk seasoning, some liquid seasoning, garlic, jerk seasoning, all-purpose seasoning and some black pepper. Now let's get started. The first step is to put some chicken into the bowl. I've decided to use some chicken thighs and legs, but you can use any piece of the chicken for this dish. Now it's time to wash your chicken. Make sure you wash this thoroughly. Now your chicken is ready to season. Add the black pepper, the all-purpose seasoning, the jerk seasoning, and the crushed garlic. Now you're going to cover the chicken with the seasoning. Make sure that you cover all pieces of the chicken. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Now the chicken is ready for the next step. Add 2 tablespoons of the jerk seasoning. If you like it less spicy, I'd recommend just using 1 tablespoon. Marinate the chicken pieces with the jerk seasoning. You can use a spoon to marinate the chicken, or you can use your hands. Just make sure they are clean. Add your chopped onions into the chicken. Mix the onions into the chicken. Cover the chicken and leave it to marinate for a minimum of 4 hours. However, for the best results, I'd leave it overnight. Now leave this in the fridge to marinate. Once you have left the chicken to marinate, it's now time to start cooking. Preheat your oven to the temperature of 170 degrees. Now you're going to place the chicken into the oven dish. and your chicken. Make sure when you're doing this that it's evenly spread across the whole of the dish. Then you're gonna add your onions. Spread your onions evenly across the chicken. Then use a fork or a knife to pierce the chicken to make sure the seasoning goes into the chicken while it's baking. Cover the oven dish with some foil to ensure it stays juicy. Now it's time to put the chicken into the oven. Leave the chicken to cook for about 25 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Once the 25 minutes are up, it's time to turn the chicken around. Now you're going to remove the foil off the top of the oven dish. This is to ensure that the chicken becomes crispy, and you can leave this for about 15 minutes. Now the chicken is ready. Take out your oven dish. Doesn't that look good? Now it's time to serve the food. This goes great with some rice and peas. Click on the link above to see how I made some rice and peas. You can use some of the excess juice as gravy to put over your meal. I have also added some coleslaw on the side. Click the link above to see how I've made this. There you go. That's some jerk chicken, rice and peas and coleslaw. Hope you enjoy it. Now I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you very soon. Also, don't forget to let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next.